Hey folks, it's Vic Noble here with another weekly trade example for you. I do the personal coaching at Forex Mentor and have a few products and services out there as well. This is a chart of the British pound US dollar and coming into the 7th of August. I'm showing you this because what a fantastic move down we had here. I mean, as you all know by now, the US dollar has strengthened big time and the British pound, euro, and so on are having quite the drops. What I want to talk to you about this week is going with the flow. What does that mean? It means quit trying to fight the trend of what's happening. And when you see this, we've talked about market flow. If you don't know what that is, go back to the archives, November 30th of 2007. And there's a couple of, and maybe the next one after that, I think I talked about market flow. But boy, on this day right here, this red candle, that was back on July the 29th. Guess what? This swing low here was broken to the downside. Like I say, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to those archives. And that means that the market flow is now down, and the best way to align your trading is on the smaller time frames, be selling more than anything, because that's what everything's telling you. And look at this drop coming down here. Do you know, coming into this day, and in fact this past week, everything fundamentally has been negative about the UK economy. Pretty much everything. I mean, there's just a lot of signs that things are having some real difficulties, and industrial production and the housing price index was way off, and so on. And in fact, let's go down to a 4-hour chart now. I want to show you something. The market flow on this chart is also down. You see all these swing lows that are broken to the downside. It's never come back up again. There has been no swing highs that have been broken to change the market flow to up. So keep your thinking to the sell side. It's really, really important. It just make a huge difference in your trading. These lows, like when these low points here, when price breaks and holds below, which it really didn't do very well here, but you'll see that it was more so like this point right here was broken. And you'll see that when they get broken, they tend to act as resistance if price comes to retest them, and which is what happened. But we had it again here. We had a nice kind of low point around the, 95.30 area, where this was a support area, swing low. It rallied and it dropped. This is a very good place to watch for reactions, okay, for price to head back down again. And like I say, let's go to the hourly chart. Everything was known at this time. The interest rate announcement came out. They left rates steady at 5%, and all of the negative fundamental news. Boy, it's kind of hard to imagine what would make the thing rally when there's nothing good happening. Here's this level of this around 95.30 that I'll just put the same level on that we had on the 4-hour chart, and just have a look at this. And you can see that, again, lots of support in here, and it broke it. And now we want to see if there's going to be a reaction on this. This is a place you want to look for, definitely for price to hold up and start heading down again. I had some emails this week, by the way, I got to tell you, from students and who are in the coaches corner, and just past students that had some fantastic moves. I mean, in the hundreds of pips on this last run. And I'll show you what happened, as you know. But price ran up right into this area, and after that it was sayonara. I mean, it was just a tremendous move, down, down, down. And even coming into today, which is Friday, August the 8th. But I just wanted to show you how you can take advantage of these moves by understanding the market flow on the higher time frames is just so important, and aligning your trading that way, and finding logical places of resistance to try to sell. And so if you're having trouble with that kind of stuff, get a hold of me. I'm really happy to help. However, having said that, I'm going to be away all of next week, so please, if you're going to email me, understand that I won't be able to get back to you till the week of starting Monday, August the 18th. But hopefully that helps you. I mean, go with the flow. Align your trading with what's happening on the higher time frames. That's how you can take advantage of these kinds of moves. And we'll show you specifically how to enter these trades and where to take profits and all that kind of thing. It's all very important. How to manage the trade once you're in it. Super critical stuff. Anyway, I hope that helps you some. That was on the British pound US dollar hourly chart, which was all set up by the daily and the 4-hour chart. and that was on the big drop that we had on August the 7th. And so there's your weekly trade example for the week ending August the 8th, 2008. You guys have a great weekend and your next week ahead. I hope it does well for you, and I'll be back the following week. Thanks so much.